Hello everybody, MD Polo here. Thanks for joining me. A couple of weeks ago I uploaded a video showing you my new EDC, which is the Glock 43x. You see it on the table. Back then I also showed you a couple of holsters that were sent in by the manufacturers, as well as an updated trigger kit. So I want to thank very much Harry's Holsters, QVO Tactical, and Overwatch Precision for sending the product in for this review. I am still waiting for Talon to send in the Talon grips that we spoke about, so as soon as they get here I will install it on the Glock 43, but they're not here yet. So let's see what we have on the table and let you know what I think of it. On the left you have Harry's holster, and this is called the Executive 1 clip. To the right of it you've got the Overwatch Precision trigger, and this is their Polydat trigger for Glock 43, 43x, and 48, and it is a flat trigger, very comfortable. To the right of that you've got the two holsters that were sent in by QVO Tactical. QVO Tactical is out of Las Vegas, and Roger is the owner there. So thank you very much, Roger. When he and I spoke, he mentioned that he was going to be sending a holster in. When the package arrived, to my surprise, there were two holsters in there. So thank you, Roger. That was pretty awesome of you. So let's get into it. Right away, I want to show you that it is my Glock 43x, and it's got the Ameriglow night sights. Loving the picture. This is probably my favorite sight picture right now. And this is the pistol has been safety checked. So it's been safety checked. And what I wanted to show you is that now we've got a flat trigger versus the OEM trigger from Glock, which I couldn't stand. And it was mostly because this little safety dingus did not disappear into the trigger shoe. It just kind of stuck out like this, and it just made it very uncomfortable after you shot it for a while. And here we've got the OEM trigger, so you can see the difference between the two. I hope the light is cooperating on that, but as you can see, that little safety thing it just doesn't disappear all the way in. It wasn't comfortable, and now it does. And this is the OEM trigger bar. It's just grayed out and not too pretty. So let's take a look at this quickly. So you've got the trigger, you got a little bit of pre-travel, and then you hit the wall right there, and then it is a very crisp break. Then on the reset, play with the focus there, it breaks right there at 90 degrees, and then you're ready to go again. So very nice. And then if you look at the insides, everything has been polished. Almost to a mirror, if you can see there. I'm trying to figure out if the light is working there. Everything that they sent was polished. And it's just very nice. It just makes it smoother, it makes it crisp, and the trigger shoe is comfortable. Now this is not one of their kits from Overwatch that gives you a reduced trigger pull. That is not what this does. If you want to do that, they have other kits in which you can get an upgraded competition trigger spring, and also a Glock OEM minus connector. And together with the trigger bar, you can reduce your pull by from half to a full pound, depending on what you choose. So very nice overall. Much happier with it than I was with a factory trigger. Just wanted to do that off camera so it doesn't bump you. So here it is. The trigger is from Overwatch Precision, and it retails for $59.99. This is, like I said, their basic trigger, and it goes up from there. They also have very nice trigger shoes that are made of aluminum. So if you're into that, you got that as well. Taking a look at the holsters, From left to right, you got the Harry's holster, and this is their executive one clip for Glock 43x. This also fits the Glock 43, and it will work also on the Glock 48 because of the length. You'll see the other holster, one of the holsters from QVO Tactical, it's a much shorter holster, so that will not accommodate the 48. It'll fit with the 43 and the 43x, but not the 48. So it's a very nicely made Kydex holster, very smooth all the way around. It's light, but it's sturdy, and it's got adjustments everywhere. There's holes everywhere. I requested it for Appendix carry, so it's got the claw here. Now this is an option. The clip that you see here is metal, and this is an option, is an extra that you pay for as well. It is thin, but is very strong. It's got a lot of strength on the retention here, and it keeps the holster just plain put wherever you put it on your belt. So here it is. These are two extras, the claw and the clip. This is his quick ship holster, so it only comes in black, and the retention on the holster is very good. You heard the click. This is what the gun looks like inside of the holster. If you're looking through the sights here, you got plenty of room if for some reason you needed or wanted to run higher sights. You got a little bit of room between the gun here and the holster, and the sweat guard runs all the way up to the side here. So here you go. There's no interference here with the mag release. Overall, a very good fitting gun from Harry's holster. I like it. It's very comfortable. Now, taking a look at the one from QVO Tactical. This one is called their Wingman. No, I'm sorry. This one is called their more discreet inside of the waistband for Glock 43. This one comes in with a carbon fiber finish on the outside, all the way around, including the claw. It's got a regular clip, a regular polymer clip. It is wide, good retention, and it also keeps it in place. It's got your retention screws. It's got your claw and carbon finish all the way around. It is very nicely made as well, polished to perfection, no sharp edges anywhere, and it's very light. This is lighter than Harry's holsters. Now listen to the retention on this one. I don't know if it came across on camera, but it's very, very tight. Now I know you can play with it here, but I haven't done so yet. So that's what it looks like on camera. It's got less space between the sweat guard and the gun compared to Harry's. Harry's kind of stuck out more. This one is very slim fitting to the gun. So I like it. I like both of them. If I had to choose one between this single clip ones, I'm probably going to go with Harry's because I feel it keeps the gun a little closer to my body. Although with this, you feel like you have less on. So very nice. This is the more discreet by QVO Tactical. And now we're going to talk about the surprise for me, because this is the first time that I use a rig for Appendix carry that has a sidecar. This one again from QVO Tactical, and this is not their quick ship model. For quick ship, you just get a black one. So this is one of their upgraded holsters, if you will. It comes with two Kydex clips that hold. It is very well balanced. It holds the weight across your belt, so it's comfortable. I didn't think I was going to be able to carry a rig like this, both with a gun and with the extra mag, but I was very surprised how comfortable it is. It comes with the claw for Appendix, well finished. For the size of it, it's very light, and I love the color orange, so this is just right up my alley. And how it fits with the gun. Good retention. And then there it is with the extra mag. So I'll walk you around on the other side. It's comfortable, the weight is very evenly distributed, and I'm very happy with this. So If I could only choose two, one for regular carry and one for a Wingman, I'm probably going to say that I would for sure use this from QVO where I could wear a sidecar and something bigger. And if I was going to just be able to use a regular Appendix holster, I'm probably going to go with Harry. So this too would probably be my favorite. So there you have it, guys. There's the update on my EDC. We managed to do this video under 15 minutes, which is a first for me. I want to once again let you know that even though they provided these products for me and to the channel free of charge, I am free to say whatever I want, and I will tell you whatever I think. Thank you, Harry from Harry's Holster. Thank you, Overwatch Precision, for sending the trigger. Thank you, QVO Tactical Roger, for sending me 2 holsters for the review, and for you guys to support a small channel like mine. It means a lot. So if you like what you see, guys, please click the like and the subscribe buttons, and consider supporting your local gun shops. They're the ones that are not going to take a stand against you and turn their backs during these difficult times for our gun rights. So until the next one, thank you very much for watching, and God bless.